Welcome to the channel. Today, we have a food science quiz with 30 questions. Ready? First question. Why does honey rarely spoil? A. High protein. B. High fat. C. High sugar. C. High sugar and low moisture prevent bacteria from growing. Why does bread become hard when stale? A. Sugar crystallizes. B. Starch reorganizes. C. Yeast dies. B. Starch molecules retrograde after baking, making bread firm. Why does lemon taste sour? A. Sugar breakdown. B. Citric acid. C. Salt crystals. B. Lemons contain citric acid, which releases hydrogen ions that stimulate sour taste receptors. Why do onions make you cry? A. Sulfur gases. B. Acid vaporizing. C. Oxygen absorption. A. Sulfur gases. Cutting onions releases sulfur compounds that irritate your eyes. Why does milk boil over quickly? A. Sugar melting. B. Fat expanding. C. Protein trapping steam. C. Milk proteins form a skin that traps steam bubbles, causing a sudden rapid rise. Why does chocolate melt in your mouth? A. High sugar. B. Low melting point. C. Air bubbles. B. Low melting point of cocoa butter. Why does salt make food taste better? A. Enhances flavor. B. Adds sweetness. C. Changes color. A. Salt suppresses bitterness and enhances other flavors. Next question. Why does popcorn pop? A. Protein breaks. B. Oil expands. C. Moisture vaporizes. A. Moisture inside the kernel turns to steam, building pressure until the hull bursts. Why do apples turn brown after cutting? A. Sugar melting. B. Oxidation. C. Water loss. B. Oxidation. Enzymes, polyphenol oxidase, react with oxygen, producing brown pigments. Why does cheese stretch when melted? A. Protein network softens. B. Sugar melting. C. Water inside expands. A. Casein proteins form long, elastic strands when heated and pulled. Why does dough rise? A. Sugar expands. B. Water expands. C. Yeast produces carbon dioxide. C. Yeast ferments sugars, releasing carbon dioxide gas that gets trapped in the gluten network. Why does sugar turn brown when heated? A. Sugar oxidation. B. Caramelization. C. Protein reaction. B. Heating sugar causes pyrolysis and browning reactions called caramelization. Why do eggs turn solid when cooked? A. Protein coagulation. B. Fat gardens. C. Water evaporates. A. Protein coagulation. Heat causes egg proteins to unfold and bond together. Why does yogurt taste sour? A. Protein breakdown. B. Lactic acid. C. Sugar breakdown. B. Bacteria ferment lactose into lactic acid. Why does vinegar taste sour? A. Citric acid. B. Lactic acid. C. Acetic acid. C. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which gives the sour flavor. We are halfway through. Don't forget to subscribe. Why do apples float in water? A. Thick skin. B. High fat content. C. Air pockets. C. Apples contain air spaces that make them less dense than water. Why does toast turn brown? A. Maillard reaction. B. Caramelization. C. Oxidation. A. Maillard reaction. Heat triggers a reaction between sugars and proteins. Why does pasta soften when cooked? A. Protein melts. B. Starch absorbs water. C. Gluten dissolves. B. Starch granules absorb hot water and swell. Why do potatoes become crispy when fried? A. Potato absorbs oil. B. Starch hardens. C. Sugar browns. B. Moisture escapes and the starch surface becomes crunchy. Why does butter melt quickly? A. It absorbs moisture. B. Protein breaks. C. Low melting point. C. Butterfat melts at around body temperature. Why does rice become soft when cooked? A. Heat breaks fibers. B. Starch absorbs water. C. Protein dissolves. B. Starch granules absorb hot water and swell. Why do eggs float when they get old? A. Air pockets grow. B. It becomes watery. C. Shell becomes thin. B. As moisture evaporates through the porous shell, the air cell enlarges, increasing buoyancy. Why does pineapple sometimes sting your tongue? A. Bromelain enzyme. B. Citric acid. C. Sugar crystals. A. Bromelain breaks down proteins, essentially digesting the surface of your tongue. Why does garlic smell stronger when crushed? A. Sulfur oxidizes. B. Oil evaporates. C. Enzyme releases sulfur. C. Crushing breaks cell walls, allowing allinase to convert all-I-in into allicin, a smelly sulfur compound. Why does sugar dissolve faster in hot water? A. Sugar crystals break. B. Molecules more faster. C. Sugar turns to liquid. B. Higher temperature increases molecular motion, speeding up diffusion and dissolving. Why does ice cream feel creamy? A. Frozen milk proteins. B. High sugar content. C. Tiny air bubbles and fat. C. Fat and air bubbles create a smooth texture. Why do tomatoes taste savory? A. Glutamate. B. High salt content. C. High acidity. A. Tomatoes contain natural glutamate that gives umami flavor. Why does baking soda make cakes fluffy? A. Creates steam. B. Adds air while mixing. C. Releases carbon dioxide. C. Carbon dioxide bubbles expand and lighten the batter. Why does meat shrink when cooked? A. Muscle fibers tighten. B. Fat melts away. C. Water evaporate. A. Heat denatures proteins, causing muscle fibers to contract and expel moisture. Why does whipped cream become fluffy? A. Protein forms foam. B. Trapped air. C. It thickens due to cold. B. Trapped air. Fat globules stabilize air bubbles into a foam. That's the end of today's quiz. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.